dinosaurs. The following content is for mature audiences only.
So today, I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. My favorite. PB&J. Original. Here comes some bread. Use some Skippy. Good old dollop. That's a bit much, but I like peanut butter. Smuckers. Gotta love the pop. Oops, put that there. Now, don't ever let anyone tell you otherwise. This is the best way to make a PB&J. Big old sloppy clappy. And then when you're done spreading that goody around, you smack them together and enjoy.
Dude, bro, that's no way to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Who said that?
You gotta make it like this.
Ah, come on. Let me do this.
Oh, man. I'm going to sit here and watch. Holy cow.
I like mine mixed. Yeah, I think I need a little bit more jelly.
I don't know. Mine's not soaking in. I'm not giving it a chance, though.
Got some Wonder Bread.
Ooh.
You got to make sure you get all the edges. On a dry mouth while eating your peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
That does look pretty good.
That's my PB&J.
Bro, you guys are tripping, man. Let me show you how to make a peanut butter and jelly.
All right, then. Let's see what you got.
What's up, DOTW fam? We're back again. It's DOTW back at it, making another great cocktail for you. This week actually comes from a viewer suggestion. They wanted to see a peanut butter and jelly shot. Honestly, they wanted to see it with Ol Smokey Peanut Butter Shine and some Ol Smokey Blackberry. Unfortunately, all of the local stores in the area did not have the peanut butter shine. So we're going to make it with a little bit of Screwball. And it's really simple, easy peasy, straightforward. It really comes down to this. You start out with your Blackberry Shine. And we're going to do 1 part shine and 1 part Screwball. That's all it takes to make this drink. Just like that, it goes in and down the hatch. Dang. That's a good shot. I definitely highly recommend you try this again. Wow. Any other viewers have any ideas on anything they'd like to make? Go ahead and send it in to us. Let us know, and we will definitely throw it on here and get another cocktail going for you guys. This was a quick video. We tried to have some fun with it, and we look forward to seeing you guys next week. Thanks again. Don't forget to comment down there on what you want to see. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell button, and let's get this on. Let's drink it up.
Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, dinosaurs. Everybody loves those dinosaurs.
And this order's up. Yeah. That's what's up.
I can grab another sandwich and have this be like,
Screwball. The following presentation.
Oh, shit.
I made those for you guys. I didn't put the mouth part on there. Drink on.
PB&J.
Ol Smokey.
Thank you to the commenter. That was really good.